So this is the aftermath of the putting everything back together. I don't seem to have any leaks. Just an FYI, there is a port back there for a radiator or a heater core hose that they don't block off beforehand, and it's made for like the Mercuries and stuff like that. I had no idea it was an open goalie because the old one didn't have that. So I ended up spraying, you know, antifreeze and water everywhere. Whenever the thermostat opened, it squirted everywhere. But got that cap off, bolted down. It's at operating temperature. No misfires. And as you can see, the little upgrade that I made here, basically I just cut a piece of plastic out and melted it down, take off the big giant, you know, oil sump that was not being useful. And she's running pretty great. I still got all my junk in the way, so test drove it yesterday when I found out about the whole heater hose thing. We got temperature's good. No misfires. I don't have catalytic converters, so you know, check engine lights on, but I've actually got long tube headers on this thing. I bought it like that. I didn't put them on it. So everything seems functional now. It's back together. So yeah, Amazon Universal lower intake seems to be working terrifically.